Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn to Lead 138. Today, I'm going to show you something different about the LabVIEW S. Experience LabVIEW like never before, right in your browser. No downloads, no installation, just pure discovery. NI is introducing a brand new guided pilot program that lets you try LabVIEW completely online. Whether you're new to LabVIEW or curious about how it can accelerate your test and measurement projects, this is the perfect chance to explore its power. You'll get 3 full days of access to a fully hosted sandbox, complete with simulated hardware and the new NI Nigel AI Advisor to support your learning. Everything runs in the cloud, so you can experiment and build without installing anything. Your journey begins with a live, 90-minute expert-led session featuring interactive demos, hands-on exercises, and real-time Q&A to help you get started quickly. To join, simply choose a date on the registration calendar. Once registered, you'll receive a Teams invite along with access to your hosted LabVIEW workspace. Space is limited to just 25 participants per session, so secure your spot today and discover the power of LabVIEW anytime, anywhere, directly from your browser. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this information.